off.
Including things for the sun.
Let's see if they went off.
Call 800.
No, Court TV didn't go off.
$10 bonus cash.
Oh, mounts went off.
Maintain your body.
Laugh went off. Okay.
And received instructions and information related to the emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System. No action is needed. This is only a test.
What?
Warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to the emergency
90.9.
stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System. No action is needed. This is only a test.
The start of the baseball season is just over 2 weeks away. Some teams are still struggling with the latest coronavirus.
That's how it should sound.
This test.
Me TV is also going off. No message? Ohio Stim? What? Okay. You okay there? You've already got your audio back.
Was there a yearly test?
Yeah. National. Okay. They didn't have a message. Last month they had a test with message. Because it originated from Ohio Stim today.
When Thomas and Galbraith helps you
Shut up.
Report severe weather to local law enforcement. Post your report to the National Weather Service Louisville Facebook page, or tweet your report using hashtag
LMK Spotter.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Oh, great.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Let's wait. You relay shortly after, I know. Come on. We know you relay. We know.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Henry County and Central Kentucky until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located just northeast of Newcastle, drifting southwest at 5 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following
WDRB3
are
relay
expected.
now.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
I wish I had
Expect
that.
wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and patches include Campbellsburg, Port Royal, Drennan, Springs,
Oh, it's only,
Lacey, and
it's
Delville.
only a 1 hour van.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Report severe weather to local law enforcement. Post your report to the National Weather Service Louisville Facebook page, or tweet your report using hashtag
LMK Spotter. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm
and may lead to
and flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.